Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, sign into the Google Cloud Console with your Google account. Create a new project and enable the Google Sheets API for that project. Next, choose Credentials and create an OAuth 2. Zero client ID or a service account depending on your needs. Download the Credentials JSON file and store it securely in your project folder. Install the Google API Client Library for your programming language using the official package manager. Finally, set the environment variable to point to your Credentials JSON file for authentication. Prepare authorization by configuring the OAuth consent screen if using OAuth client. For server-server workflows, use a service account and copy its client email. Share your target spreadsheet with that service account email to grant access. If you use OAuth client, run an initial consent flow in a browser to obtain tokens. Make sure your application requests the scope https://www.googleps.com/auth/spreadsheets for full read and write access. Store refresh tokens securely and refresh access tokens automatically when they expire in production applications. With credentials in place, initialize the Sheets API client and provide your spreadsheet ID string. To read data, call Spreadsheets. Values. Get with a range such as Sheet 1, A1, B10 and process the returned values array. To write, call Spreadsheets. Values. Update and set value input option to RAW or user entered depending on parsing needs. For multiple ranges or structural changes, use Spreadsheets. Values. Batch update or Spreadsheets. Batch update respectively. Always handle API errors, respect quota limits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.